First, in a small bowl, mix together plain yogurt, vegetable oil, and lemon juice. Give it a quick mix and set it aside. Now, let's whip up the meringue. This is what makes the muffins rise without needing a lot of butter or heavy cream. In a clean bowl, add your egg whites. Then slowly add 70 grams of sugar in 2 or 3 additions and whip until you get stiff peaks. It should look glossy and hold a point when you lift the whisk. Once your meringue is ready, add your egg yolks one at a time, mixing gently. This step keeps the batter light but adds richness from the yolks. Time to sift the dry ingredient. Use 80 grams of cake flour and 3 grams of baking powder. Fold gently using a spatula. You want to keep the batter airy and soft. Now we will add the yogurt mixture from earlier. I like to add it 2 parts, gently folding in to avoid deflating the batter. You will notice the batter becomes creamy and smooth, not too runny, not too thick. Perfect for scooping into muffin pans. Bake right away for the best rise. I usually bake mine at 160 Celsius or 350 Fahrenheit for about 20 to 25 minutes. These are perfect for breakfast, lunchbox treat, and afternoon tea. You can even add blueberries or chocolate chips if you like. Thank you so much for watching. If you try these muffins, I'd like to hear how they turn out in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe and check out my other cozy bakes too.